Over the last 9 years, we've built hundreds of inventions on this channel. Some of them generated millions of views. Some of them went viral all over the world. And every time one of those videos exploded, the comments looked something like this. And honestly, sometimes I thought the same thing. Because the truth is, most of these ideas never became real products for a few very simple reasons. We didn't have enough funding to turn them into real businesses. We didn't know how to actually start a company from scratch. And we had no idea how to find suppliers or manufacture at scale. So even when an idea looked amazing, it usually stopped at the prototype stage. Recently, though, I found something interesting. Something that actually helps solve those exact problems. That's why today, I'm testing a new path. Looking back, Alibaba.com CoCreate Pitch is exactly what we needed. It solves the money problem with $1 million prize pool, the knowledge gap with specialized AI tools, and the manufacturing hurdle with their massive supply chain. It's the platform that finally turns what if into what's next. So I'm taking one of our old inventions and using Alibaba.com's CoCreate Pitch Agent inside Accio Work to see whether it could become a real startup. And if it works, I might actually submit it to Alibaba.com's CoCreate Pitch 2026. Out of hundreds of inventions, I wanted something that wasn't chosen randomly. I wanted something that already proved people wanted it. So I picked this, our DIY steering wheel attachment for PlayStation controllers. Not just because it looked interesting, but because it already had real demand behind it. When we published this project, it exploded. More than 65 million people watched it, and the comments were full of people asking the same question. Where can I buy one? At the time, it was just a fun engineering challenge. We built a prototype, tested it, played real racing games with it, and then moved on to the next project. But looking back, this might have been one of those ideas that deserved a second look. Because building a prototype is one thing. Turning it into a real product business is something completely different. That's where the CoCreate Pitch plugin comes in. It acts as a bridge, translating my cool idea into the language of business. I activated the Alibaba.com CoCreate Pitch Agent inside Accio Work. And here's the magic part. I didn't have to write a single complex business plan. I just dropped the original viral video right into it. I let Accio Work watch the invention for itself and analyze its commercial potential. It started asking questions I never had to think about as a YouTuber. What's the core pain point? Is the target audience a hardcore pro or a total casual? I always saw this as just a cool gadget, but the agent's logic instantly elevated it into a high-potential business play. What surprised me was how quickly the conversation shifted from cool invention to potential business. The agent identified several opportunities we had completely ignored. For example, instead of positioning it as a DIY project, it suggested treating it as an affordable alternative to expensive racing wheel setups. That immediately made the audience much larger. Because suddenly, we're not competing with cardboard DIY projects. We're solving a real gaming problem. Then the CoCreate Pitch Agent started building an actual business proposal around the product. And honestly, this is where things became interesting. One suggestion I really liked was positioning the product between standard controllers and full racing simulators. A good racing wheel setup can easily cost hundreds of dollars. This attachment could potentially deliver some of that steering experience at a fraction of the cost. The agent also suggested potential crowdfunding strategies, gaming creator partnerships, and manufacturing approaches through Alibaba.com's supplier network. Suddenly, this wasn't just a viral video anymore. It started looking like something that could actually exist on store shelves. And that's the part we never explored 6 years ago. Maybe we should have. And that's exactly why Alibaba.com's CoCreate Pitch exists. It's not just a startup competition. It's designed to help people move from idea to execution. Unlike traditional contests, it features a dedicated 0 to 1 startup track for those who are held back by the friction of reality. People with brilliant minds but limited funding or resources. Anyone with a raw idea can now apply, because the AI handles the complex business architecture for you. You bring the creativity. Accio Work handles the business. Looking back at this project now is honestly a strange feeling. More than 65 million people saw it. Thousands of comments asked where they could buy it. And yet, we never took the next step. Maybe it would have failed. Maybe nobody would have bought it. Or maybe we completely missed an opportunity. And that's exactly why I wanted to try Alibaba.com's CoCreate Pitch Agent. Because the worst feeling isn't when an idea fails, it's when you never find out what could have happened. Maybe this steering wheel attachment should have stayed a YouTube video. Or maybe it could have become a real product company. And that's exactly the question I'm trying to answer through CoCreate Pitch. And if you have an idea yourself, something you actually believe in, you don't have to wait either. You can start directly through the link in the description, download Accio Work, and submit your idea to Alibaba.com's CoCreate Pitch. No complicated process, just your idea and a chance to see where it could go.